Article 359 of the Constitution authorizes the President of India to suspend the right to move any court for the enforcement of fundamental rights during Answer A national emergency. The disqualification of the Member of Parliament and state legislatures on the ground of defection has been provided in Answer A 10 Schedule of the Constitution. The Controller and Auditor General of India can be removed from office in like manner and on like grounds as Answer C. Supreme Court Judge. Sikkim was made the full-fledged state of Union of India by Answer D. The 36th Constitution Amendment Act 1975. The correct chronological order of the formation of Haryana, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh and Nagaland as full state of India Union is Answer D. Nagaland, Haryana, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh. The provisions of concurrent lists, freedom of trade, commerce and intercourse and joint sitting of two houses of parliament are borrowed from Answer B. Australian Constitution. Fazal Ali Commission appointed in December 1953 to consider the question of state reorganization accepted Answer C. Language as the basis of reorganization of states. The Speaker of the Lok Sabha can ask a member of the House to stop speaking and lets another member speak. This phenomena is known as Answer B. Yielding the floor. Article 169 of the Constitution makes the provisions for the abolition or creation of Answer D. Legislative councils in states, by which Constitutional Amendment Act was the elementary education made a fundamental right under Article 21A. Answer B. The 86th Constitutional Amendment Act 2002. The state of Manipur, Tripura and Meghalaya was formed in Answer A. the year 1972, by which Constitutional Amendment Act was the number of Lok Sabha seats increased from 525 to 545. Answer D. 31st Constitutional Amendment Act 1973. Which part of the Constitution of India deals with special provisions to SCs, STs, OBCs and Anglo-Indians? Answer A. Part 16, Article 330 to 342. Under the chapter Fundamental Rights, rights under Article 15, 16, 19, 29 and 30 has been denied the same to Answer B. The Alliance. When was the second backward class commission under the chairmanship of B.P. Mandal appointed? Answer C. The year 1979. The first backward class commission was appointed in 1953 under the chairmanship of Answer C. Kaka Kalelkar. The Interstate Council was established in 1990 in pursuance of the recommendation made by Answer B. Sarkaria Commission 1983 to 1987. Which article of the Constitution provides freedom to manage religious affairs? Answer B. Article 26. When was reservation of 27% government jobs for other backward classes declared for the first time in independent India? Answer A. In the year 1990.